Well, after playing about with the strings, the ropes, the lines, whatever you call them all, the lazy jacks, we finally have a go of putting the sail up. Yeah, so here it goes. We're going to put the sail up in this video. Wish me luck and we'll see how it goes.
Aren't we? Right, let's have a look at the ropes on this side now. Okay. Right. Well, we know what one of the ropes did, didn't we? Because this one here did the lazy jacks, which goes from here all the way up to the top and supports the back of the sail, which is good. Then I've got an orange one and a green one. Right, so let's go and see where they go and what they do. Okay, orange and green. Right, so let's just think. Let's have a look. Right, so the green one comes up to here, to this point. It goes up to the... So if I pull that... so what that one does is moves the sail that way. So that would possibly... that would change the centre of gravity of the boat, wouldn't it? So that would make it more sail at the front than at the back. So I presume it would just alter the way the boat handles. So that's the green one, and then the orange one, which is this one here, which, excuse me, goes to the, that looks like that does the opposite. Yes, that does certainly look like that does completely the opposite. That will actually let's put that in there. That's it. That one there would, oh yeah, so look at that. So if I pull the yellow one, it goes back, and if I pull the green one, it goes forward. Can you see that? So that would change the whole, I would think that would change the whole characteristics of the boat, wouldn't it? Which, well, that's clever, isn't it? Hey. It's one thing knowing what it's doing. It's another thing putting it into practice, I should think. But that'd be another video, won't it? Rightio then. So we've now got 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got 3 more. Shall we? There's no wind. So shall we put another one up? Let's put another one up, shall we? And we'll see what happens. Now, now that's gone stiff for some unknown reason. So why has that gone stiff? Let me have a look. It's gone stiff because of this here. So let's let that out a bit more then, shall we? Yeah, so that's why that went stiff, because blades was stiff. Right. Right. Wow. Right. Right, that's the sail up as far as I can see. So let's show you, look. Which is quite impressive, isn't it? Let's go back and we can show you it from a distance. Right, so let's just put the